Hi guys, my 2013 Wildcat 1000 IOPUT Limited. Not as clutch, you can hear the tick. Not as loud over here. Sounds like it's coming from the back top cylinder. So put it in neutral. I don't think it's my clutch.